Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be disinfecting around the house on certain surfaces that I normally forget to do. I know you have them too, so you can join me today. Get your cleaning products, get your disinfectant, and let's get on with it. So this is the product that I'm going to be using. If you're not new to my channel, you know I've used this brand before. We're going to be starting off with my son's toys and his playmat. So the next area is going to be the office area, so keyboard, and especially the keyboard, because if you're working from home, you know that you jump from one surface to the next, and I normally forget. So yeah, it's just gonna work on the keyboard. I'm probably gonna have to do a deep clean on the keyboard because it looks really messy. But please give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying the content. I know I have said I'm doing a spring cleaning one, but I'm currently not feeling very well, so that's why today's video is very small and kind of straightforward. So look out for a spring cleaning video that's going to be coming out in the next couple of days, hopefully next week if I'm honest, because I apologize if you can hear my voice as well. I'm not really feeling very well. And don't forget the bathroom towel rails and switches, and yeah, I'm definitely gonna do a bit more of a thorough video. Also, don't forget to do the sofas because we do spend quite a lot of time on the sofa, so that will need some disinfecting. But if you are interested in this product, I will link it in the description bar. You can get 10% off the product, so I will link it in the description bar. It's very simple and easy to use, and you dilute it yourself. So if you're into eco products, let me know. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.